Hey guys, I'm here with Expert Renovation. So we got the outside of the house prepped out. Drywall guys getting started on the inside. New windows should be here 3rd to 4th week in January, but we're getting as much covered up as we can. Royal board and batten, Arctic white. Nice farmhouse look. Cario getting things set up here. Got our porch ceiling in place. We're gonna be doing 4 6x6 cedar posts across the front. New front door. So yeah, detailing some stuff on the chimney. Isaiah and Lydia getting excited in here. And the guard dog's hard at work. Keep you posted with progress. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget.